Understanding the masking technique in English learning. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting concept in language learning called the masking technique. This method can be incredibly useful for those of you looking to improve your English skills. So, let's dive in and find out how this technique works and how you can use it to enhance your language learning journey. The masking technique is a learning method that involves partially covering or masking parts of a text or dialogue in English. By doing this, learners are encouraged to focus on specific aspects of the language, such as grammar, vocabulary, or sentence structure. The key idea is to isolate certain elements of the language, making it easier to understand and learn them. This technique can be applied in various ways, such as covering the subtitles of a video, parts of a written text, or even muting certain parts of an audio clip. One of the main advantages of the masking technique is that it encourages active learning. Instead of passively absorbing information, learners actively engage with the material, which helps in better retention and understanding. This technique can also help in improving listening skills, as it forces learners to focus more closely on the spoken aspects of the language. Additionally, it aids in vocabulary building and grammar comprehension, as it allows learners to concentrate on one aspect of the language at a time. To effectively use the masking technique, start by selecting a piece of English content that's slightly above your current level. It could be a video, audio clip, or written text. Then, follow these steps. 1. Identify your focus area. Decide whether you want to focus on vocabulary, grammar, or sentence structure. 2. Mask the unnecessary parts. Use physical means like a paper to cover text or technical tools to mute or hide parts of the audio, video. 3. Engage with the material. Try to understand the content with the available information. Make notes of new words or grammar structures. 4. Reveal and review. After your initial attempt, reveal the masked parts and compare your understanding with the complete content. To maximize the benefits of the masking technique, keep these tips in mind. Start simple. Begin with simpler texts or dialogues and gradually move to more complex materials. Be consistent. Regular practice is key. Try to incorporate this technique into your daily language learning routine. Use a variety of materials. Don't just stick to one type of content. Explore different sources like news articles, movie clips, podcasts, etc. Reflect and adjust. After each session, reflect on what you learned and adjust your approach as needed. The masking technique is a powerful tool in your English language learning arsenal. It's all about breaking down the language into more manageable parts, which can significantly boost your understanding and retention. Give it a try, and you might be surprised at how quickly your English skills improve. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.